Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info, and I'm going to show you how to reset ink levels in EPSON EcoTank 4700 printer. To do that, open Settings, then find here Maintenance, scroll right, and find here Reset Ink Level. Click OK, and click Start. Start button is here. Click on it. And click Proceed. Select the colors you refilled, for example, BK. Select BK, for example, yellow, magenta, and cyan, and click OK. Reset complete. Check if the ink levels is above the lower line. Click OK. That's cool. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video and bye. See you.